right, thank you guys so much for staying with us. Now, during her 15-month sojourn in Shashamane, Ethiopia, Arlene Green immersed herself in the study of the health and healing benefits of essential oils. This inspired her to formulate a skin-soothing insect repellent utilizing 80% of its components sourced from Jamaica's local reserves. Good morning, Arlene. Welcome. Nice to have you in Jamaica, by the way.
Thank you.
Long trip. You've been around the world and back.
Yes.
Talk to us about that and why you decided to launch this product.
I launched this product because I didn't want to be exposed to mosquito-borne diseases while I was in Ethiopia. And it worked, so I realized that I had something that I could market. Mm-hmm. And I ended up with customers in Shashamane, Addis, and Hawassa. Mosquito-borne
diseases, but you're also going another level because you discovered too that it also works for ant bites.
Yes, yes, and it does work for sore muscles, this blend of oils.
You've decided to use Jamaican-sourced products. So why Jamaica? So you have a love for, your African roots, your Jamaican roots.
Yeah, it's important to me to pay into the local economy, to give back. And so anywhere that I am, that I develop this product, I make sure to use local resources.
What are some of those products you have in your line?
So I have also hair serum and aromatherapy, but I'm concentrating on the repellent because there's a lot of mosquitoes.
Right. Some of the essential oils you've chosen to use this time around.
So this is a coconut oil base, and I have rosemary, thyme, lavender, lemongrass, cedarwood atlas, and clove bud oil.
What is the importance or some of the health benefits of essential oils? I know it smells really good, like I sprayed someone on my hand just now, but apart from it smelling good, what else in terms of health benefits?
Well, with the lavender, lavender is very healing, very calming. Rosemary is an anti-inflammatory. So, with the blend of these oils, it does work to stop the sting of bites and keep the insects away.
We mentioned the mosquitoes, the ant bites, any other sandflies too. Any plans to expand?
Always, yes. I'll expand as my sales grow. Yeah.
Okay, any socials so we can follow you to source your products?
Yes, I'm at organic_touch_essential_blends on Instagram and Organic Touch Essential Blends.
Organic_touch_
Essential_blends.
_blends. Thank you so much for being here with us. Come back again.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. All right, we'll be right back with some more on We Can Smile.